Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin in Cash App. So buying Bitcoin in a Cash App is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Steps to buy Bitcoin in Cash App. First, you can just go ahead and tap the Bitcoin tab on your Cash App home screen. Tap to buy Bitcoin, select the amount tab, and then enter the custom amount, and then enter your PIN and select confirm. All right, and basically after you have the funds in your basically Cash App, so you can actually buy the Bitcoin, and basically you're gonna be able to buy the Bitcoin straightforward, right? And verify your account. If this is your first time buying Bitcoin in Cash App, you will need to verify that this is your account. You may need to provide some personal info, including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN or social security number, and then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification process, right? And then you will need to know that there is a transaction fee. Be aware that buying Bitcoin in Cash App may involve fee. These fees will be displayed before you confirm the purchase. And then you're gonna see the price volatility. Bitcoin prices are highly volatile. Make sure to check the current price and consider the market conditions before making a purchase. And the security aspect of it, and the security aspect basically enable additional security features like the two-factor authentication on your Cash App account to protect your investments. So let's run on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.